Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to open the quick release mount for the Insta360 Go 3S and the Go 3. So let's get into it. Empty box. We have some instructions. We have that, and we have a bunch of different things, and there's nothing else in there. So let's see here. These are silicone sound dampening silicone pads, or standard silicone pad, and this is I guess for having clear audio. So first thing I'm going to do is take this off. Okay. And we can either, I think this, is there one on here? There might be already one stuck to here. Looks like there is. So I'm not going to take it off. Definitely goes in like that. Okay, so to put it on, literally just kind of magnetizes into place. And it's not going anywhere. And then you have here a little adapter if you need to mount it to various action cam mounts. Okay. And now you have an action camera. It's pretty solid. That's it. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching.